in this lesson we were looking at geometric sequence where we give you unknown variables, similar to what we did in quadratic and similar to what we did in linear. Alright, so there, determine the value of x. Consider the geometric sequence 3x and 75. That's what's given to me. They specify it's geometric. So for it to be a geometric sequence, I need to understand now that term 2 divided by term 1 must equal term 3 divided by term 2. So then I place term 2 is x. So I place x. Term 1 is 3. Term 3 is 75. And term 2 is x. From there, I assume you still remember from primary school how to cross multiply. So I'm going to say x times x and 3 times 75. X times x simply becomes x squared. 75 times 3 equal 225. Alright, and this is where the error comes in now. To get x squared to be x to the power 1, I find the square root. But if I find the square root there, I must use plus or minus. Forget the plus and minus, we can't mark further. So plus or minus, square root 225. Square root 225 is simply 15, so x equal plus minus 15. So if I substitute back, my sequence can read 3, 15, 75 or 3 minus 15, 75. Hope you follow the procedure. Hope you understand. Right? If you do, like, share and subscribe. If you look at the second problem, again, determine the value of x. Say consider, again they specify that it's geometric, 2x 98. So for it to be geometric, we have to say term 2 divided by term 1 equal term 3 divided by term 2. Term 2 is simply x, term 1 is 2, term 3 is 98, and term 2 is x. Right, so x over 2 then equal 98 over x. Right, x times x, 98 times 2 if I cross multiply. X times x is x squared. 98 times 2 gives me 196. Find the square root of both sides. Remember, very important, plus or minus in front of any square root that we find. Right, so from there, x then equal plus minus 14. So the sequence read 3, 14, 75 or 3, negative 14, 75. So in exam, we will determine the value of x either for linear, quadratic or geometric. Very rarely do we ask more than one, but you need to know all three, as if all three will be asked. Wish you nothing but the best. Continue practicing. Work hard this year. Don't be scared to sacrifice. Hard work will be rewarded. God says so in the Bible. I believe him.